vacuum pump, tube cutter, manifold gauge set, flaring and swaging tool, nitrogen cylinder, adjustable wrench, R410A refrigerant cylinder, combination pliers, leak detector, butane canister, copper brazing rod, safety goggles, Allen key set, clamp meter, wall hole cutter, hacksaw blade with frame, indoor unit jacket, air blower, charging line, water pressure pump, chisel, grinder machine, pin valve, measuring tape, tester, R134A can, R600A can, tube bender, hammer drill machine with bit, socket set, level protector, R22 refrigerant cylinder, R32 refrigerant cylinder, R134A and R600A can service valve, brazing torch, nose pliers, tool bag, wire cutter, hammer, temperature meter, thermometer probe, swaging punch set, rivet gun and rivets, step ladder, recovery cylinder, pipe reamer, PVC cutter, insulation tape, thin comb, first aid kit, digital refrigerant scale, coil cleaning brush, coil cleaning sprayer pump, coil cleaning chemical, R410A adapter. And that's our complete list of AC tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more useful HVAC tips and guides.